If you don't like dealing with website headaches but still want top-notch performance, then RSH Web cPanel Hosting is your solution. With RSH Web cPanel Hosting, managing your website is a breeze. No more technical nightmares, just a clean, intuitive interface that makes everything simple. Need to install WordPress or other popular apps? One click and you're done. Managing domains and setting up emails, easy peasy. But it's not just about simplicity. RSH Web offers robust performance to keep your site running smoothly. Plus, you get advanced security features like SSL certificates and regular backups. Your data stays safe and your site stays live. And if you ever hit a snag, don't sweat it. Their 24/7 customer support is always ready to help, so you can focus on growing your business. Whether you're running a personal blog or a business site, RSH Web cPanel Hosting gives you the tools and support to thrive online. Start your journey today with RSH Web.